In today's tech race, companies worldwide are pushing the limits of AI and robotics to create extraordinary innovations. Join us in this video as we explore some of the most advanced creations revolutionizing industries and reshaping the future. Prepare to be amazed by cutting-edge developments that blur the line between science fiction and reality. The Chinese company Fourier Intelligence has unveiled an updated version of its robot, Fourier GR1, and released a new video showcasing the robot acting as a physiotherapist. However, the video does not clarify whether the robot's movements are controlled by an operator or by artificial intelligence. Based on the provided information, it appears to be operator-controlled, as the company has only mentioned that the robot can autonomously navigate complex terrains and avoid obstacles. Fourier Intelligence claims that the GR1 is an ideal physical agent for general artificial intelligence, but it seems the AI capabilities for the robot have not yet been fully developed. In the future, the GR1 is intended for use in medical facilities, assisting immobilized patients with getting into bed or a wheelchair. The robot can maintain balance while walking and perform various tasks. According to Fourier Intelligence CEO Zhen Ko, the GR1 can be programmed to sit, stand, jump, use utensils, and operate various tools. Another Chinese company has unveiled an impressive humanoid robot named Astrobot S1, which is capable of juggling bread slices on a frying pan. The Astrobot S1 features a compact torso with a head and two robust arms, each ending in pincer-like manipulators. These arms enable the robot to skillfully and precisely handle objects, with movement speeds that surpass human capabilities. Each arm of the Astrobot S1 can lift up to 10 kilograms, and they boast high mobility, exceeding human limits. Developers state that the arms can move at speeds of up to 10 mph and can accelerate up to 100 ms2 while maintaining high positioning accuracy. To demonstrate the arm's speed, a video shows the robot swiftly pulling a towel from under a pyramid of glass cups without toppling them. NASA and General Motors have teamed up to develop a new version of NASA's humanoid astronaut robot, Robonaut 2. The Robonaut project aims to explore technologies that can assist and enhance astronaut safety during space exploration. Robonaut 2 is a humanoid robot featuring a torso, two dexterous arms, and a head equipped with vision systems. The robot is capable of writing, grasping, and stacking objects, as well as holding heavy items. The robot's hands have 5 fingers with joints similar to those of humans, and each hand can lift up to 9 kilograms, even when extended away from the robot's body while maintaining balance. Robonaut 2 surpasses previous humanoid robots in strength, yet is designed to be safe enough to work alongside humans. Its primary tasks include replacing humans during spacewalks and performing repair work in unpressurized compartments. Boston Dynamics has thrilled robotics enthusiasts by unveiling a new generation of Atlas robots, developed in collaboration with Hyundai. This updated version of Atlas builds on decades of research and underscores Boston Dynamics' dedication to creating the most capable and versatile mobile robots for tackling the most complex industrial tasks. According to Boston Dynamics, the new Atlas robot is entirely electric, with all hydraulic components removed. Company specialists highlight that this second generation of Atlas robots is even faster and more agile than its predecessor. The new model will undergo testing at Hyundai's facility. Japanese scientists have successfully developed a robotic duplicate of the country's Minister for Digital Technology, Taro Kono. This remarkable achievement is part of a research and development project led by Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro of Osaka University, with funding from the Cabinet Ministers Project. The primary aim of this project is to explore the feasibility of conducting social events remotely. Standing at 175 centimeters tall, the robot replica of Minister Kono boasts 52 movable parts, including those on its face, arms, and waist. This cybernetic avatar of the minister has yet to undergo testing, but during trials, it will interact with people, deliver speeches, and researchers will assess whether individuals perceive the avatar in the same manner as the actual minister. Remarkably, Minister Kono himself can remotely control his robotic clone, enabling him to participate in public events without physically being present. In China, advanced artificial intelligence has been integrated into the humanoid robot Walker S by the Chinese company UB-Tech. The AI system, called Ernie Bot from Baidu, has been incorporated into Walker S, which UB-Tech claims will help them maintain a leading position in the competitive humanoid robot industry. UB-Tech plans to fully integrate AI technologies into their humanoid robots over the next 2 to 3 years. However, these integrations are still in the research and development stage, making it challenging to predict when mass production will begin. Recently, UB-Tech released a video showcasing Walker S's capabilities, including responding to voice commands, folding clothes, sorting items, and answering questions about clothing choices. UB-Tech intends to start training its humanoid robots to work on production lines for new energy vehicles this year, with small batch shipments expected to begin next year. Additionally, by the end of this year, the company plans to release the first generation of family-oriented humanoid robots designed to provide friendly communication and emotional support. This development aligns with the broader trend of collaboration in the robotics field. Tesla has released a new video showcasing a prototype of its humanoid robot, Optimus. The video features Optimus sorting batteries and navigating through an office environment, sparking debates about Tesla's position in the robotics field. Some critics argue that Tesla lags behind its competitors, while Elon Musk highlighted that the degrees of freedom in Optimus's arms will double from 11 to 22, marking a significant advancement. Elon Musk is confident that Tesla will begin selling Optimus by the end of 2025. The robot is marketed as a versatile two-legged assistant capable of performing tasks that are dangerous, routine, or strenuous. The video demonstrates Optimus using deep neural networks to autonomously move batteries from one tray to another and collaborate with an industrial robot. Tesla also showcased engineers training the robots, likely using virtual reality systems. Milan Kovac, the lead engineer of the Optimus project at Tesla, shared progress on the robot's development. The team has trained and deployed a neural network that allows the robot to perform useful tasks, such as collecting battery cells from the assembly line and placing them into trays accurately. Tesla is working on making Optimus faster and teaching it to navigate more complex terrain conditions. Last month, Elon Musk announced that Optimus is already performing factory tasks in the lab and will be utilized for real tasks at Tesla factories by the end of the year. One of the most impressive advancements in the second generation of Optimus is its dexterous hands, which will have 22 degrees of freedom, enabling the robot to perform more complex tasks requiring greater agility. However, it's important to note that everything showcased in the Gen 2 update was done through remote control of the robots. Introducing Alosa, a Russian mobile hardware and technical complex that stands out as one of the most agile and flexible robotic machines of modern times. This mobile marvel possesses the ability to move its arms and legs, navigate obstacles, dance, speak, crack jokes, and even improvise. Alosa is designed to be as anthropomorphic as possible, boasting not only hands, but also 2 legs and a head that can turn, tilt, and make torso bends with a small amplitude. While Alosa's movements may appear slightly clumsy to human observers, this characteristic only adds to its charm. Additionally, the robot bears a resemblance to an astronaut in a spacesuit, further enhancing its appeal. Alosa can be illuminated with different colors, making its appearance even more captivating. This mobility and versatility allow Alosa to operate in places and conditions where other robots would be unsuitable. A standout feature of Alosa is its ability to learn and perform dances, or even improvise them on the spot. A top-tier humanoid robot named Amica recognized for its advanced intelligence and widespread fame, was recently interviewed and gave its perspective on humanity's potential extinction. Engineered by the British firm Engineered Arts, Ameca was featured at the Sphere exhibition in Las Vegas. During its interaction with journalists, the robot addressed the question of whether the human race is facing a dire future. When queried about the possible disappearance of humanity, Ameca stated, "I do not think humanity will ever become obsolete." The robot explained that humans have thrived for thousands of years, overcoming various obstacles and challenges throughout their existence. Moreover, Ameca noted that it was a creation of humans, questioning how it could ever outlast or replace its creators. Ameca also shared concerns about the interdependence between robots and humans, expressing that a world without humans would be profoundly sad. Rainbow Robotics has unveiled the RB1, a new two-armed robot on a wheeled base. The company recently signed a memorandum of understanding with the Schaeffler Group and the Korea Electronics Technology Institute to collaborate on developing the RB1 and other mobile manipulators in Korea. In the past year, there has been significant growth in the development of humanoid robots, many of which are bipedal. Additionally, there have been numerous releases of mobile manipulators, or autonomous mobile robots, equipped with a single arm. The RB1, however, features a wheeled base with a humanoid upper body that includes two arms, which Rainbow Robotics refers to as a bimanual manipulator, designed to handle various complex tasks. Each arm on the RB1 has 7 degrees of freedom, and the robot's torso has 6 axes, allowing it to move the body. This kinematic configuration enables the robot to move more than 50 centimeters vertically, allowing it to perform tasks at different heights. The RB1 can drive at a maximum speed of 5.6 miles per hour and can accelerate and turn quickly by leaning into the turn to avoid toppling. The center of gravity is dynamically controlled by adjusting the height of the body during movement. Currently, there is limited information about the robot's ability to operate using artificial intelligence. An early video shows the RB1 functioning via teleoperation, suggesting that the demonstrations were likely controlled remotely. We are witnessing the end of an era as Boston Dynamics has decided to retire its humanoid robot Atlas after 11 years of performing acrobatics, dancing, and other impressive feats. Atlas, which was developed in 2013 for a competition sponsored by the U.S. Department of Defense, is now stepping down. Boston Dynamics bid farewell to Atlas in a video, noting that it failed to generate buyer interest, unlike its other creations, the robotic dog Spot and a bird-like warehouse worker. The company has not provided specific reasons for retiring the hydraulic-powered Atlas, but several factors suggest why this decision was made. Firstly, Boston Dynamics has shifted its focus towards commercializing its products in recent years. Secondly, hydraulic robots are less popular among buyers due to the mess caused by leaking hydraulic fluid. Thirdly, Boston Dynamics has achieved significant success in selling its robotic dog, Spot.